How to log in to MyFordBenefits Retiree account. In this video, I'll show you guys how you can easily log into that. First thing you have to do is open up your web browser and then go to the search bar. Simply search for MyFordBenefits, hit enter, and you should be able to find the page right on top. So if you don't find it, you can just type in spaces between this and hit enter. Now, once you find it, click on the sign in option right here, and you'll be taken to the login page directly. Now, once you land on this page, simply go ahead and click on edit and enter your login credentials. Now, once you click on the link here, you should be getting this option where you can log in. So go ahead and enter your FordBenefits user ID, and then just enter your password. Just go here, enter password. If you want to show password, click right here. And if you want to log in with Alight Mobile, you could do that as well. If somehow you have forgotten your ID or password, click right here to recover it. So just enter your social security number, date of birth, and then you should be able to recover your account from here as well. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.